Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired to spending too much time in the kitchen chopping, slicing and grinding? Let me introduce the multi-purpose chopper. This incredible kitchen tools is a game changer for everyone who loves cooking but want to save time and efforts. With its versatile design, this chopper can handle fruits, vegetable with easy. From dicing onion to slicing cucumber, it does it all. You get 14 different functions into one compact device, making meal preparation a breeze. Plus it's made from an unbreakable food grade plastic, ensuring durability that lasts. One of the standout feature is the easy plus to clean button. Just press and watch as it simplifies your cleanup process. No more tedious scrubbing, and the ergonomic design means you can chop and slice comfortably without straining your hand. And let's talk about the price. It's just $4.99. That's an incredible valuable for the multi-purpose kitchen gadgets that truly delivers. Whether you are a busy parent, a culinary enthusiast, or someone who just want to make cooking more efficient, this chopper is perfect for you. Imagine whipping up salad, stir fries, or even snacks in record time. With the multi-purpose chopper, you will spend less time preparing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. So why wait? Elevate your kitchen game today with this essential tool. Get your now and experience the convenience for yourself. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to purchase this product, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. And till then, bye, take care. Thank you for watching my video.